In this video, I will solve your doubts about how to fix achievements cannot be earned in this world and whether or not it is possible to do this. If you try to go into a world of yours, and let's say you have a survival world where achievements are enabled by default, you try changing this to creative. Usually there is going to be this warning: turn off achievements, ? Achievements are only available in worlds set to survival mode with cheats off. If you continue, no one will earn achievements while playing in this world ever again, even if you switch back to before playing. And of course, as this suggests, if you go ahead and continue, it is now switch forever, and achievements will have been disabled. So you might be curious if it is possible to revert this once it says creative here, and after you click continue on the warning, either outside or inside of a world. Is there any way to switch back? Sadly, as it stands today, if you join a world, you went into the settings and you changed the settings related to the default game mode or cheats, then unfortunately it is going to remain like this forever. If you activated cheats or if you swapped to creative mode, they are disabled forever, and there is no way to switch back to this if you are playing vanilla Minecraft without any sort of modification. This is especially relevant for consoles where you don't have access to any third-party tools that would probably be able to get this done. As it stands today, once you make the switch, it is completely disabled. This is only relevant for the Windows version of Minecraft, or rather the Bedrock version, and Java will not suffer from this. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that because of the way achievements work in Bedrock Edition, switching to creative or enabling cheats will permanently disable the achievements in a specific world, and there is no way to revert this. If this video cleared up any questions that you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.